وَقَالَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا لَا تَسْمَعُوا لِهَذَا الْقُرْآنِ وَالْغَوْا فِيهِ لَعَلَّكُمْ تَغْلِبُونَ. Verse number 26 of Surah Fussilat. The kuffar, they used to say, do not listen to this Quran. Make a big noise when it is being recited so that you can be victorious. So when the Quran was being read, they used to make a big noise. Forget about the finger job anymore. Now you make a big noise so that nobody hears it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala protect us.